If you're watching this video, you're probably very stressed about product research, and I understand how annoying it is because when I first got into ecom, I had no idea how to find a good product. With this product research strategy, I see about 50% of the products that I test being profitable. So watch to the end of this video and trust me, you'll get your time's worth.
Remember, having a product research strategy that you can rely on is extremely important to doing well in ecom, because if you don't have a way to find profitable products, you're never going to make it in this game.
So step number one of this whole entire process is going to be optimizing your TikTok feed to show you only videos of products. So the first thing you're gonna do is go on TikTok and find a video of any sort of product and like, comment, and share with it. What you're trying to do is just engage with that video the most that you can. So you're telling the TikTok algorithm that you want to be shown more of these, product videos. And remember, so you're just gonna do this for every single video that you see of any type of product. And eventually TikTok will start shoving you out more and more product videos. And eventually, if the only thing you like and comment and share on are these product videos, literally every single swipe that you do on TikTok will be a video of a product. And 90% of the ads that you see on TikTok will be of some sort of product. Most of them are going to be dropshipping products. And now this is the important part. What you're gonna do is click onto any ad that you see that's showcasing any sort of product. And then what you're gonna do is screenshot the URL of that ad. So you're gonna wanna collect around 100 to 200 URLs. So most of the time when you're doing this, all of the URLs that you're screenshotting, all these brands, some of them will be big, some of them will be really small. Some of them will be dropshipping stores that started yesterday. But the thing is, you're collecting a huge list of stores that are selling products on TikTok right now. So then the second step is you're gonna go on your computer and type in PPSpy extension. And you're gonna wanna add it as a Chrome extension. By the way, this is not a promotion. And what this extension is gonna allow you to do is track the live sales that any Shopify store is getting. So now you're gonna start typing in every single URL that you screenshotted on separate tabs on the web browser that has the PPSpy Chrome extension installed. And now for each store that you're spying on, you're gonna click on live sales and then press start tracking. And now what you're doing is you're literally tracking 100 to 200 stores that are running ads on TikTok and seeing if they're getting sales or not. Now, if you tell me this tool isn't overpowered, you must be crazy. Because think about it, you're literally tracking if a Shopify store is getting sales or not. So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna wanna let your computer run for around 24 hours and just let the tracker do its thing. And after that 24-hour period, you're gonna be left with a bunch of results. You're gonna see which stores are getting a bunch of sales and which stores aren't. And now you have a good idea of what products you can sell and which ones you can't. You're gonna see some products that you never would have thought were selling, selling extremely well for some people. And you're also gonna see a bunch of opportunities on your hands. Like for example, I've tracked a bunch of stores that do not look good at all. They're not optimized for conversions. Their colors don't look good. There's a lot of room for improvement, and sometimes those stores are doing extremely well. So now you're gonna pick a store that you see has some room for improvement and is doing very well in sales. And you're gonna set up a store for that product. By the way, most of the time I like to go with one product stores. Make your store look way better than that competitor and make a better ad creative than that competitor was running. If you think about it logically, there's literally no reason as to why your store shouldn't work if you're selling, the same exact product that a store that you're tracking is getting a lot of sales with, unless it's a big brand. But because there's literally nothing separating you from that competitor that's getting sales other than your store quality and your ad creative and your advertising strategy. By the way, I'll leave a link to a video of my advertising strategy in the description down below. But now you don't have to worry about, going through TikTok and searching TikTok made me buy it and filtering by most liked and this week to see which products are going viral. Now you literally have a way to see if products are selling or aren't. And in all the time that I've been doing dropshipping, I've never seen a product research strategy this easy. You literally just screenshot a URL, you start tracking the store. If the store is getting sales, bam, test the product. If the store is not getting sales, then ditch that test. But yeah, this product research strategy is a gem, and I was really excited to release it to you guys because I know that all the grinders watching this video right now are gonna use it and they're gonna crush it. Now, a way that I've seen great results with this product is, first making a better store, making a better ad creative, and using a better advertising strategy. But the thing that really puts you over the edge is testing different offers with that product and testing different price points. Because first of all, that this product is selling very well, but if you can offer it in a way that makes people want to buy it even more, you're gonna have something that can make you a lot of money. So what you can do the first day is, test 4 different offers. You can try a 50% off sale, then a buy one get one free sale, buy one get one 50% off. You can try buy 2 get 1 free. You can test different offers on the first day if you're not running one specific offer, in your ad creative. Just test a bunch of different offers and see, which one gets more sales and which one doesn't. I used to do that all the time when I was first, testing in the early days of my dropshipping game, and I still do it because you don't truly know how much profit you can wring out of a product until you've tested all the offers that you can. To everybody who's still watching this video, keep on watching because I have a message for you. You're watching this video because you're extremely passionate about dropshipping and you really want to get the ball rolling and you really want to see some sales. Well, listen, the only way you're going to do that is by putting in the time, putting that in the effort. Remember, if you quit, all the time and all the hours that you put in will completely go to waste. That is the only time that you truly fail. So keep on pushing, keep on grinding. You got this. Those 5, 10, and 20K days are coming soon. It's just a matter of time. Guys, I also have a Discord. We have a bunch of 7 and 8 figure entrepreneurs in there and also a bunch of beginners. It's just a great place to learn and build connections if you're just getting into the space. So click the link in the description down below to join. If you like this video, please leave a like, comment if you have any questions, and subscribe and turn on post notifications. It helps me a lot, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.